So today we're going to look at a very basic exit ticket that I have found to be quite useful in my classroom. This is my second period exit ticket. I used it last year a little bit and decided I really like this. So it just has the basic format of, keeping that email, your name, a brief description of today's objective, and I usually tell the students what to put in that field. I ask them to self-rate their understanding after class, one thing they've learned, and then you see the red asterisk is gone for what is a question you still have and anything else you want to tell Ms. Johnson. And they do have the option to send a copy of that response to themselves. So when I click the little edit button, and I'm just going to keep it very basic, it's still going to say second period exit ticket just so I can use it for whichever class I have second period. But you'll see here, oh no, I have responses. So remember, we have these magical 3 dots and I can delete all responses. So now it's clean and I can unlink the form from this particular sheet. So now I can rename this spreadsheet. When I link to sheets, I can create a new one, and maybe I'll be intentional about putting the year, and I can create that spreadsheet that's going to track this specific class and all of that information. To further make this better, I like to use conditional formatting. I can use that by highlighting this entire column, and then I'll right click and find conditional formatting. And then I'll do, if text is exactly a 1, which is I don't get it at all, I'm going to do some kind of red. Done. Add another rule. If text is exactly 2, maybe that's my orange. If text is exactly a 3, and so on and so forth. And this is helpful because then I get that very quick snapshot of which student do I need to check in with. I can see overall how they're doing. Plus, I have the advantage of hey, what's one thing you've learned? So I can see what stood out to them. If there's any questions, I can address them. And then for whatever reason, when you offer students that digital space to share something with you, some of them do respond. And I'll get things like, hey, hope you have a good day. And I'll get other things like, just so you know, I started a new job and I'm working late, things like that. So this exit ticket has been a winner for me, and it's something I'm going to continue using. If it's something you're interested in implementing in your class, please let me know. And thanks so much for watching.